Hello, everyone. I'm Christopher Naputo, your Testa-accredited TV key trainer. Today, we're going to explore a critical part of your dump truck's cooling system, the radiator. Properly understanding how it works and how to maintain it is essential for keeping your truck running smoothly and preventing costly breakdowns. Let's get started. The radiator is a heat-exchanging device located at the front of the truck's engine compartment. Its primary function is to keep the engine cool by dissipating excess heat produced during operation. The radiator is constructed with fins and tubes through which coolant flows. Air passes over these fins, cooling the hot coolant before it returns to the engine to absorb more heat. A properly functioning radiator prevents engine overheating, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of the engine. The engine generates a lot of heat during combustion. Coolant absorbs this heat as it circulates through the engine block and heads. The hot coolant is pumped into the radiator. Airflow, either from the truck's forward motion or cooling fans, cools down the coolant as it moves through the radiator's tubes and fins. The cooled liquid returns to the engine, ready to absorb more heat. This process repeats continuously during operation. Picture this. You're operating your dump truck, fully loaded, climbing a long and steep hill. The engine is working overtime, generating excessive heat. If your radiator is functioning properly, it will effectively dissipate the heat, preventing the engine from overheating. However, if the radiator is clogged with debris, low on coolant, or leaking, the temperature will rise quickly. A sudden spike in engine temperature could lead to serious engine damage or even complete failure. This scenario highlights the importance of regularly checking coolant levels and inspecting the radiator for blockages or leaks. Now, let's say you're waiting at a job site with the truck idling for an extended period. Since the truck isn't moving, there's less natural airflow passing over the radiator. The cooling fan needs to kick in to ensure sufficient cooling. If the radiator fan isn't functioning properly, the engine temperature will continue to rise. A functional radiator and fan system is essential when the truck is stationary for long periods. If you're operating your dump truck on a dusty or muddy work site, it's very common for the radiator to get clogged with dirt, debris, or even mud. A clogged radiator will have reduced airflow, which greatly limits its cooling capacity. Over time, if the blockage is severe, the engine will overheat. That's why it's important to inspect and clean the radiator regularly, especially when working in harsh environments. Regular inspections. Check the coolant level and quality before each operation. Ensure there are no visible leaks or damage to the radiator. Use the recommended coolant-to-water ratio to provide adequate cooling and prevent corrosion. Periodically clean the radiator fins to remove dust, mud, or debris buildup. Using a low-pressure water hose or compressed air is ideal. Make sure the radiator cap is in good condition and properly sealed. A faulty cap can cause coolant loss and reduce cooling efficiency. Common mistakes to avoid. Water alone cannot provide adequate cooling and can cause rust and corrosion over time. If you notice high temperature readings or coolant leaks, address the problem immediately. Regularly check that the fan is operational, especially when operating in hot or stationary conditions. The radiator plays a vital role in maintaining your dump truck's performance and preventing overheating. Regular inspection, cleaning, and proper coolant maintenance are keys to ensuring your truck's engine stays cool and operates smoothly. This has been Christopher Naputo, your Testa-accredited TV key trainer. Thanks for watching, and always stay safe on the job.